Hello, second graders. We are going to continue our work with the sticker station today. So if you remember from yesterday's lesson, at the sticker station store, stickers can only be bought in strips of tens or singles. So we're going to work together to solve how many of each stickers Kira has bought with her money that she's earned. So our problem states Kira earns money at home for doing special chores. She's been using the money she earns to start a sticker collection. Each week when she gets paid, she goes to Sticker Station and buys more stickers. Now she has 32 stickers altogether. So we're going to try to figure out how many strips of 10 and how many singles Kira could possibly have in order to get 32 stickers. So let's first look at that in terms of an equation. So we know that our total number of stickers altogether is 32. So when we write that, we can show 32 equals or is the same as blank number of tens plus blank number of ones. So let's see if we can work together to figure out how we can solve this problem. So when we think about the number 32, possibly the first thing that comes to your mind is the number of tens and the number of ones that is in the number 32. So if we look at the number of tens that's in the tens place, we see that that is a number 3. So we know we could have 3 strips of tens to show our 32 stickers. So we then have 10, 20, 30, and then we have to go back and add our 2 singles or our ones. So we add 1, 2. So we know that this is one way we could solve this problem. 32 equals 30 plus 2. So 30 plus 2 equals 32, or 32 is the same as 30 plus 2. But let's see if we can think of another way to solve this problem. Let's see if we can think of a different way that we can solve this problem. I know I have 32 stickers altogether. So I know that was 3 tens and 2 ones. But how is a different way that I can solve that problem? Think for just a second. What if we tried to solve this problem by using just 2 tens? Is that something that we could try? Well, let's work together to see. So if I have 1 set of 10 and 2 sets of tens, that gives me 10, 20 stickers. 10, 20. We're counting these by tens because they are strips of tens. Now, I know that I still have to work up to 32 stickers because that's how many Kira had all together. So let's count these, put these 2 strips of 10, the number 20 in our brain, and count on with our singles until we get to the number 32. So we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 30, but we still have to get to 32. 31, 32. Now, one thing I want you to notice is to really pay attention to how I've tried to organize my stickers. I've tried to keep them in the singles in rows of 5 so that I can go back and count them easily. And try to keep the singles together so that we can see what we're counting when we go back and count. So let's look and see if we have 32 stickers. So we have 10, 20, and then we're going to count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So we could show this problem as 32 equals 20 plus how many singles do we have? 5, 10, 11, 12. So we could show this problem as 32 equals 20 plus 12. 32 equals or is the same as 20 plus 12. Now let's try one more combination, because if you notice, you don't always have to have, remember you can break that 10 apart into singles. You can always decompose those numbers. So let's try one more combination. We've tried 3 10s and we've tried starting with 2 10s. Could we try starting with 1 strip of 10? So let's put in 1 strip of 10 and put that number in our brain, 10, and then we're going to count on until we get to 32. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So let's look and see, because we've counted up to 32. We've got our stickers organized so that we can be efficient. And let's look at how many 10s and how many 1s we have in this solution. So I have 1 strip of 10, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I counted by 1s. You could also count by 5s here because we know we've put them in strips of, or rows of 5, columns of 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32. So we would show this as 32 equals or is the same as 10 plus 22 1s. 10 plus 22 1s. So now suppose that after another week, Kira now has 46 stickers altogether. So your challenge is to find all the possible ways to make 46 with stickers. Remember, how many strips of 10 could she have and how many single stickers could she have? Good luck, second graders.